Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Doginme token. Name of the token is Doginme, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this is a new token on the Basechain. This is a base meme coin. They're doing very well. They have 7,740 holders already. I was doing a lot of Solana meme token videos, and then I noticed base meme tokens started getting very popular as well, getting some comments from people saying, hey, do more base meme coin videos. And so now we have Doginme and a bunch of other ones. I just uploaded Doge. Today I'm also going to be uploading based Shiba Inu. There's a whole bunch of them. So, click that subscribe button if you're not familiar with this channel. I post daily videos. But right now, we're going to be going over the Doginme token because this token, it was just announced, got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, March 22nd. So we're going to go over the information on the Doginme token and a couple different ways that you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Doginme token. So it's on the Basechain. And it was just announced today that they are getting a brand new central exchange listing March 22nd at 10:30 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed, so it is available now on Bitmart. So if you don't have a Bitmart account, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could get it on your PC, and then you'd open an account, fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section and you would search Doginme, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So that's one way to get the token. And another way, this token is available on Uniswap and maybe also SushiSwap as well. But right here, there you can find the contract address on Basechain, on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, their webpage, which is dogin.meme. They have a Twitter at Doginme on Base, which I'm going to put up right on the screen here. And then their Telegram is at Doginme Discussion. So you can find the contract address on any one of those. Make sure you have the right contract address, obviously. But you would, first of all, need a wallet. So a Coinbase wallet would be great because, Basechain, Coinbase. But Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, you fund your wallet with ETH. Then you would bridge it to Base. And then you would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address, trade your Base for this token. Now, they do most likely have a step-by-step on their webpage as well. They do right here, how to bridge to Base, right on their webpage, dogin.meme. Set up a crypto wallet, Coinbase wallet, follow these steps. It goes step-by-step with the contract address right on their webpage there. Real easy to do it if you just follow that right there. Because, Bitmart is not available in everyone's country. So that would be a way to get the token without using Bitmart. You could just use Uniswap. Or maybe SushiSwap. I'm not sure if it's available on there. Now, this token is listed on CoinGecko. They have a CoinGecko link on their page. Dex Screener, Basescan, Warpcast, all sorts of stuff here. Tokenomics. Is the dog in you? The Doginme token. Now, the Doginme meme coin's roots were established when a forecaster used User inquired if Dan Romeo, DWR, the founder of a decentralized social media platform, owned a dog. DWR replied affirmatively, no, but I got that dog in me. So Dog in Me is the first meme coin to launch that represents the Farcaster founder's dog that is in fact not a dog, but a primordial dog in him. Extending beyond our roots on Farcaster, Dog in Me is now the representative of the community's collective efforts to embrace and embolden the dog in them. Is the dog in you? So it says 69 billion Dog in Me tokens, stealth launch, deployed on base L2, token contract immutable, LP burned and 0 taxes. So if you are going to buy or sell this token or transfer it from your wallet or on Uniswap or SushiSwap or wherever, you probably will not have to worry about slippage, maybe 1% at the most. And it says, Dog in Me is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is for entertainment purposes only. They have a contact email, dog@dogin.meme. They have a link to Uniswap right at the very bottom of their page as well. Now, on DEX Tools, it says they have a $45.58 million market cap. Liquidity in Uniswap is $2.82 million. They have a circulating supply and total supply of 67.62 billion tokens. So like I said earlier, it started out with 69 billion. So it is most likely a deflationary token, and that is why the supply is 67.62. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.73 million. So it's a very popular token today. And it could be, I mean, I saw this token trending yesterday, I believe, and maybe the day before. I'm also going to upload some other base coins that have been trending, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so now they got this central exchange listing, so that's some more eyeballs, more hype, and maybe that's why the 24-hour trading volume is still in the millions. And then we have 194.23 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 3.22 billion Dog in Me tokens. They have a 91 out of 99 DEX score, and they have a quick audit by Quick Intel, Token Sniffer, and GoPlus Security, and there's no warnings on them whatsoever, and you can find that on DEX Tools. Keep in mind, those are just quick audits. They're not full audits. You should always look out for full audits. But yeah, that's basically about it. Go check out the Dog in Me token. You can get it a couple different ways. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.